The topic for today's discussion is the management of Mauna Kea and the Mauna Kea Science Reserve. In 1998, there was an audit or an official inspection that was done specifically for that, the management of Mauna Kea and the Mauna Kea Science Reserve. The audit stated that the University of Hawaii's management is inadequate to ensure protection of natural resources. The university focuses primarily on the development of Mauna Kea for their benefits gained to its research program. The university neglected historic preservation, and the cultural value of Mauna Kea was largely, multiple times, unrecognized. In 2014, which was last year, a follow-up was done from this audit and found that UH still had not done what was recommended from the previous audits. UH had not adopted rules to establish authority for its management responsibilities for Mauna Kea, thus again, years later, hampering its ability to fulfill its responsibilities to protect this mountain's resources. I am saddened that the mountain's resources are not of utmost importance to the University of Hawaii, but rather the benefits gained for UH's research, which seems to me have taken priority. The lease states that the university shall not damage, remove, excavate, disfigure, deface, or destroy any object of antiquity, prehistoric ruin, or monument of historic value. Now 13 telescopes and one antenna later have been built. An estimated $600 million have been sent out to construct those facilities. Building of TMT will go against the lease, therefore causing damage, excavating, disfiguring, defacing, and destroying antiquity and monument of historic value. Building of TMT will prove the audit to be true, that the University of Hawaii's management of Mauna Kea is inadequate to ensure the protection of natural resources and cultural value. Building of TMT does not only go against the lease, it goes against University of Hawaii's mission statement, which includes that the responsibility is to improve the quality of life for its people, the people of Hawaii. Building of TMT does not improve the quality of life for the people of Hawaii. It does not only not acknowledge Hawaiian culture or the Native Hawaiians' community concern. It lacks environmental concern, legal obligations, and cultural respect. Building of TMT also goes against the Office of Mauna Kea's management, also, whose mission includes protecting and preserving and enhancing the natural cultural resources of Mauna Kea. In my opinion, there is nothing natural nor cultural about an 18-story telescope. It is my understanding that the University of Hawaii Board of Regents has rulemaking and final approval authority over major projects. As a Native Hawaiian and an alumni of University of Hawaii, I humbly ask you to take a stand with us and to do what is right. Change the way that people see the University of Hawaii, which is right now not so maikai. Be proactive in maintaining this conservation district. Put a stop to this lack of transparency, put a stop to this lack of accountability, and put a stop to this lack of equity that goes along with this institution. Mahalo for your time.